kill.
All right, what are we doing?
Well, today we get up to the Manistee and we put our boats in and then we start our trip. Hopefully we see some salmon, but it's a little late, so we'll see. First and foremost though, we're hoping we get some birds.
They got land and sea, they got surf and turf. We're gonna go for a flight and bite. Get some birds, get some fish, have ourselves a little flight and bite, right?
Set up camp and then we'll try and pick out a spot to set up the next morning, and yeah, maybe we'll get some duck titties.
It's currently October 11th. What's the weather looking like?
Well, we get cloudy and dreary time, but that's the best time for hunting. Animals like to get up when it's cloudy and wet and depressing, so we'll be up and we'll be ready to go.
You guys recognize him from last year. We went on the bird hunt last year up in the UP, and we're basically doing it again, but lower peninsula this year, so stay tuned.
You guys probably recognize me because I look like the goofball behind the camera.
Yep.
All pretty good.
Which one do you like?
All of them. Take lemon, that's good.
Okay.
That ain't going nowhere.
Alright guys, so we went to the store earlier today and we were trying to buy plugs for the shotgun to make a legal waterfowl load, which would be 3 shells on the shotgun. Well, anyways, instead of buying one, we ended up just getting a straw, a plastic straw, and what we did was cut it to the certain length, and then we just put that straw inside the shotgun, and this is probably about 4 inches, 4.5,
Probably
maybe
4,
close.
4.5.
Yeah, so it's literally just a straw. We'll see how it works tomorrow and keep you guys updated if it's actually a good little hack to do. All the stores were sold out on it, so we actually had to makeshift something. And our buddy here behind the behind the light over there told us how to do it.
Behind the camera's not our buddy. Don't get that mixed up.
No buddy here. The river is right out there. Alright guys, so we're actually about to get on the river here. We're gonna run into town, fill up a tire, grab a few more supplies, and then we're gonna be able to get out here on the river. So, leaving our campsite, and stay tuned because hopefully we get some birds here soon. We're gonna do some scouting, try to get something set up for tomorrow morning. Try to figure out where the birds are. So we got a successful morning tomorrow. Plan, you're gonna drop all the gear up here, load it all up in the canoe. There we go. The salmon fishing out here is still lively. There's a lot of people still out here. All right. This is all of our gear.
I mean, I've got my tarp too, so I can grab it.
All right, we got all of our gear in here. We're doing a boat check, making sure everything is good and sturdy.
Yeah, that's nice. I think because it has a lot of weight, it's all kind of just balanced out.
Yeah. I can tell that there's more weight back there.
Good.
Your front is popping up a little bit.
All right, I'm gonna get out real quick. Right here is a semi truck.
That's in here.
All right, send her away. Boat's coming down. I'll go right under you, bud. Oh, cool. Thanks. Thank you.
Come on, go. Yep. Yeah, you guys too.
No, it's not just beer.
And we're off. Should I put the drone up? Get it following us?
Can't reach those. Yeah, you want to go get those?
Pow, pow. Logan, look above you. There's a bald eagle right there. There's another one. Ah, they were eating fish carcass. So I just got the drone up and we got some footage of them rowing down. I am now off. We're gonna go set up camp for the night and then see if we can't do a little bit of scouting for tomorrow. It is supposed to rain tomorrow, so I'm not 100% sure how good it will be or how productive of a day. We're definitely gonna get out, but I'm not 100% sure. But we're we're definitely going to be out there in the morning looking for birds. There's salmon all over the place. Peaceful out here though. I was gonna say, it looks like there might be a little, maybe.
On the right, stay on the left, we'll try and keep ourselves over here.
Wait. Hey, wait. Let's approach this better. Let's go this way and pop out alongside of it. Here's the thing. It doesn't look deep and it doesn't look bad, like a bad spot. It's isolated.
Yeah.
We might just be here at the wrong time.
Of day.
Yeah. I mean,
We very well could do
we
this in the
could.
morning.
From where they
We were
launched.
looking at the spot and I saw that there was
Whoa,
duckweed
look at
in
this.
it. It's one of us.
Is this?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, it's
gotta
got to be from one of us. Yeah, this is where they took off from, right here. Has to be. This is our wad.
There's no chance.
Nope. Right up there. Somebody just shot from over here.
Nope. She needs to flip back over.
You think her teeth will bite through it?
Hopefully
She
not.
gets in the water and starts fighting.
It might.
We can put her in a spot where she probably won't get out, but
Yeah.
she's got up the river,
Okay.
so.
You want to use, guys.
Good call, Alex. That was awesome.
I didn't see it.
I barely did. I was like, is she pissing? And I saw it through the Orbeez and I was like, oh my god. They're beautiful, dude. They're
Yeah,
little
look
pearls
at
of
'em.
life. How about that?
Those would, you could even eat those.
Not all of them have touched the dirt.
Look at her stomach.
It's deflated.
It's deflating, yeah.
She's pushing.
She's got some more right there. Wow.
Yes. That's cool. Your main bugs.
Dead one there. Been dead for a few days, at least. We got a fresher one right here.
Fresher.
Fresher, yeah. Maybe not all the way fresh, but
Fresher than that one.
I was gonna say, and it's fresher than you can get a lot of the times right out of the river. I mean, unless you go to the lake. Yep. She just got off. Wow.
We got eggs.
You think her teeth will bite through it?
Hopefully
She
not.
gets in the water and starts fighting.
It might.
Alrighty guys, it's currently about 6:30, 6:45. We're gonna get in the canoe here and cross the river, and we're gonna head out to our bird spot, which we kicked a few birds out of yesterday in hopes of putting some birds on the ground here. So stay with us, and hopefully we're not at the bottom of the river in just a few minutes. Got the mojo up. We got our ducks out here. We're gonna hide in these weeds and hope something comes in from our right or left. Probably more from the right.
They're circling around, they're thinking about it.
Yeah.
So Bailey, they're probably gonna come. Yeah, come from your right.
Let them circle.
Kill.
No. They're down. That one is. Let's just let them see if they see the motion.
They won't go after it now.
No, they won't. Yeah, they shut right up. Yeah, they might know it's safe if they hear that. They're cupping in. They're cupping in. Kill them.
Boys, get him. Shoot!
Why am I not shooting?
It's not shooting?
Oh my god.
No way, we could have had goose.
I didn't want to shoot because obviously you guys are...
Dude. My gun wasn't... I don't know if I was on safety or if... What?
You got one chamber?
I think so. You want to do it? No. Little too far still. They're eyeballing us though. There's three. There's a third one just linked up with them.
Clear.
They're coming right here, guys. Right here. Ready?
Slow. Kill.
Got him. Got one.
Oh yeah, boys. I see him. Oh, there he is.
All right.
Here. Ready?
Slow. Kill.
Got him. Got one.
Oh yeah, boys. I see him.
So guys, it was funny when that last bird came in. We were all freaking out, as you can see, getting ready to shoot, and Alex is calling, then he just dumps his call, he just throws it. I just spent the last, I don't know, good 10-15 minutes looking for it. I watched the footage back and I was like, you know what? We did see him throw it. It was funny. So anyways, I got the idea of just watching the footage back, and you can see him just toss it and it went in the water. Now we got it back. Well, Alex just got that other bird down. So they're out there looking for it, and I'm just keeping watch here, making sure nothing else comes back through. So they looked for that bird for about 10 or 15 minutes, but they could not find it. As we were packing up, I didn't want to go and leave without going to look for that bird. So I decided to go out there and look for it because I had the footage to look back on. I ended up finding it, but I did not get it on camera. I chased this bird down because it was wing shot, and I stepped on its neck and I picked it up and I just screamed and hollered at the guys. Well guys, this is the duck that Alex shot out of the air over here. And they looked for, what do you think?
I looked for 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yeah, dude, I scoured the whole area, didn't see a single thing.
And I walked over there.
I think I'm gonna go back there. I have it on camera.
I walked over there and I found a feather like this size. And I'm like, he's gotta be within, 4 or 5 feet, because he's not gonna travel far when he's wounded.
Man, we're lucky. We're lucky, dude.
And then all of a sudden he just flies out of there and he can't get up in the air because he's wounded.
He was buried in the brush.
He was hiding, and that's what I was thinking. I'm like, if he's wounded, he's gonna try to get underneath the log. So I flipped up a log and everything when I was over there. Well, cool. That's
After the other bird too, Bailey.
Early on in the morning, we had a 2-pack come in, and we did get one, but I didn't get it on camera, unfortunately. Logan looked for it for a while, but was unable to find that one as well. Heck yeah. Wonder if that was his or the first one.
Was.
Is that your bird?
That's my bird. First bird.
What is it?
Over here, dude. That's
Green mallard.
Heck yeah.
over here.
So Logan, first duck.
First duck, dude.
Was looking for the first one. The first one we shot landed back over here, and all of a sudden a 15 pack comes from behind us, and Logan's standing right over there, and he's just
I think he's still alive.
bah.
Beautiful, healthy drake.
Yeah, I got him in the lower left leg quadrant.
Yep.
So there might be a little breast damage, but
Perfect.
you want a headshot?
Sure. Nice old drake duck there. One for right now.
He's still alive.
Kill him.
Coming our way.
Got him, Logan.
Got it.
Job, dude.
Go.
He's right there.
Go
All
get
right.
him.
Let's see if
Go get him, go get him.
Bird, man.
Logan just shot one.
So we collect all the gear, we decide to head out, but before we leave, we want to check and see if we can't find that first bird that we shot that morning. So we pack up all of our gear and we're walking out. We give one last check for this bird. And I set my backpack down to look for her. Well, anyways, on my way back to pick up my bag and leave, I see a little bit of movement on the ground. I couldn't believe it.
Yeah, right. Black Lab Bailey.
One more.
That's
After the other bird too, Bailey. Good golly. That's 4 ducks down, 4 ducks.
Four
recovered.
ducks. She was hidden right over here. We were looking for her for, I don't know, 15 minutes in that stuff, and I was walking over.
This,
Dude,
small grass here.
I was looking in all of this right here, and I was just gonna cut over to my backpack, which is like literally right over there. And she was like right there.
I walked, I cut through that trail. I'm not sure, but I was looking this way.
Yeah.
I found mine in the tall grass as well.
She's pretty
there's
low.
short grass out here too.
I think the left side, the right side of her is like done. See her foot?
Yeah.
See how it's like.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for your food, girl.
So we head back to camp. We have to cross the river in order to get back to camp. We get some lunch and coffee in us, and then we depart and head to our next camp location.
Headed back across the river. Got 4 ducks, some chicken in the woods. We had some grapes and raspberries. Now we're gonna move camp, and we're gonna head downstream a little bit more, and set up camp tonight, and try to do some duck hunting if we have enough time, and if not, we'll wake up tomorrow morning and do some duck hunting. So, and if we don't have enough time tonight, we'll do some scouting.
This is oatmeal water too, and that's boiling ready too. I'm gonna keep it at a very, very low.
So guys, for coffee out here, we have a French press. Obviously you guys know how that works, but no creamer, no problem. Hot chocolate coffee is the way to go when you're out here. So, and we're doing this for lunch today, so excited. Dinner will be duck. Dinner will be duck.
I want you guys probably join me because you have the Onyx.
You boys all be marked forever because you're not gay.
We're not gay. We are not gay.
You're not a gay boy.
We are not gay.
My mama raised me Catholic.
No, it's not bad at all. It kind of looks
When I think about it, my kayak's probably pretty heavy, so it's like,
pretty stable.
yeah.
It looks kind of intimidating, but
Yeah, it looks way more intimidating than it was.
you guys tell there's a storm coming.
Campsite potential number 1. We're just bouncing off of the river real quick, checking this out, see if it looks good for any type of birds for the morning time. And this looks like a pretty good camping area here.
Extra crispy skin, I suppose.
We're taking this whole kayak about 400 to 450 yards out here. Crazy, dude. All right. I'm ready if you are. Out here in the kayak, about to throw up these decoys. They might come back. There's like 8 or 10 above us, Logan. Stay still, stay still.
Duck down.
Good shot, Logan.
Thank you. I'll shoot that duck again.
Yeah, shoot him again. Dude, did you see him the whole time?
No, I didn't see him until you shot. Until you tried to shoot and they fluttered away.
Logan, look to your right. Kill him. Shoot him, shoot him. You get any?
Yeah, one.
Heck yeah. You got 2 so far. What?
I gotta hit him again.
Okay.
Dude, that was perfect, Bailey.
Let's keep it. Yeah, that's what you want. You want. If I was over there with you, we probably could have got more, but I didn't shoot.
Yeah.
I'm gonna move. There's 6 eagles in that tree. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a beaver dam, but there's a beaver run right here as well. And they cause so much damage. I mean, that's probably 4 foot lower than where I'm at right now. And then the river's right here.
Just takes a while to
Yeah.
get it all up. It's tricky because you want to skin it, but the skin rips.
Last campsite we had just left. Now we are off. This is the basin that we were hunting in this morning. This giant basin over here. The birds were traveling from this way, back that way, west to east. We're on state.
Oh, yeah. Deep state.
Deep state. Public land. Looks so pretty over there for a campground.
Ooh, that side looks good too.
Yeah. Well, guys, we are on the last few bends of the river. The truck's at the parking ramp, and then we're gonna dock the boats, load the boats up. If you guys enjoy this type of stuff, go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment, obviously. Totally up to you guys. If you enjoy it, let me know. I can keep making more. But thanks for watching, and see you guys next time. Pure Michigan, baby.